Disaster overtook a London-bound express when the 8:20 a.m. from Liverpool to Euston, carrying 700 passengers, left the rails and crashed at Weedon near Rugby, plunging down a 20-foot embankment. The first coach was smashed to matchwood and the second cut completely in half. Ambulances and breakdown gangs were quickly on the scene to extricate the victims from the wrecked coaches. The Royal Scot on its way to Weedon was stopped near the spot while passengers jumped down onto the line to render first aid. A tragic Midland disaster, with many killed and injured, unhappy reminder of the Irish mail crash at almost the same place 35 years ago.